Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the display option. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down a little, and as you can see in the screen section on the second position we've got reading mode. So this is actually the eye comfort mode, so let's tap on it. And before we will actually be able to customize it, because right now I'm showing you how to customize this mode, and then I will show much faster access to this feature. So in order to customize it, we have to actually turn it on. So let's tap on the switcher here, and as you can see here we've got the adjust function. So by using the switcher we can change the intensity of that feature, because right now our screen is yellow, I would say almost orangish, and it is because it will filter the blue light, and thanks to this it will be much more comfortable for us to read in a dim light, for example. So by going to the left we can make it much sheer and much cooler, and by going to the right we can make it warmer. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use, which option you'd like to leave. I will leave it like this. What's more, we can schedule it. Let's tap on the switcher, and here we can choose either good night's read, and your device will turn this mode after sunset automatically, or we can custom the period. So after tapping on turn on we can choose the set time. So let me pick, for example, I don't know, whatever. It can be 5 o'clock. Just remember to confirm it with OK. And right now we have to pick the turn off time. So I will pick, for example, the 10 o'clock. And as you can see, the screen turned yellowish automatically. It is because we are between the turn on and turn off time. So let me turn off the schedule option actually. And this is the whole customization of this mode, of this feature. So right now I can show you much faster access to it. All you have to do is simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the reading mode icon. As you can see, it's right here, and it is obviously activated. So in order to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state. Obviously you can turn it on the same way. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the reading mode or eye comfort mode in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.